This is John Holistic #1. Let's see. Try to get you back in the screen there. Try to get this in the right place. Try to make it so this isn't gonna. Yep. Okay. Give me a second here. All right. This is the key. As you can tell, it's a little snatchy, like most challenge locks are. So let's try to get into it. I'm going to use the Lawlocks tools in 47 thousandths. And I'm going to use my Cobra Instruments 20 thousandths. And I'm putting little to no tension on this at all. I'm basically just resting my fingers on it. 3, 4. I might even have too much. 5. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Maybe 5. Maybe I overset it. So there's 1. 1, 2, 3. I just definitely overset that, or I overset it. Okay. Let me get this over here. So there's 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little something out of 1, I believe. A little something out of. That's 3. Let's see, 1. I am not happy with the angle I'm at right now. Okay, so that was 4, and we're in a deep falset. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5 opened it up. That is #1 by John Holistic. This lock is a very good challenge lock, I think. I don't really have much reference, but it is definitely not a pushover.